Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the GedFong smartwatch here. It looks really masculine, of course. But of course, a woman or something else can wear this smartwatch too. No problem for it, okay. This is a smartwatch with phone function. That means you can answer calls with that device. A really cool additional part what's new on the smartwatches in this price range is. And this smartwatch make this really cool. We have a 1.39 inches touchscreen and a fitness tracker in one with a 450 mAh battery. It's a fitness watch for men with over 100 sports modes. It's a pedometer, a sleep monitor. The watch works with Android and iOS devices, no problem. So it's home in both worlds with one app. And the app which we need is the good old DAFIT app, DAFIT. The Bluetooth calling and an information is synchronized. The built-in speaker and the powerful microphone, thanks to the Bluetooth 5.0, provide support to stabilize our calls. The smartwatch synchronizes the notifications of our phone with WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, and messengers as well. We will not miss any important calls and messages whenever we are training or driving. And we have an upgraded 450 mAh long-lasting battery. This automatic watch, built-in large batteries, lasts for 7 up to 10 days without worrying about charging, and up to 30 days standby time. The CINAMON smartwatch comes with a one easy thing to reload because we have a plug, an USB-A to magnetic connection plug included. That means we can use our laptop, our computer system, our AC adapter, or an USB socket to reload this device easily because there is a magnetic joint. And we have 24-hour health management. Equipped with a high precision sensor, the man's smartwatch here can accurately track our heart rate 24/7 and automatically track and record the sleep, detect the blood oxygen, and we can use it as a fitness tracking device, pedometer, calories and distance, and so much more, with which we can keep track of our fitness goals and monitor our health. We have a 1.39 inches DIY personalized dial if we like. The smartwatch has an HD color touch screen with a resolution of 360 to 360 pixels, adjustable brightness level, and it has more than 100 different types of dials in the app of the smartwatch. We can also adjust our favorite pictures. We get the wonderful visual experience with our smartwatch here. And this smartwatch has various useful functions that meet our different needs, such as the watch finder, a remote camera control, weather forecast, stopwatch, alarm clock, seat reminder, water reminder, breathing trainer, and so on. This is a really cool thing and a smart device. First step is we download and paired it with the app. Okay, it's easy. Okay, it's easy, really easy. We just download the app DAFIT out of the App Store or Google Play Store. Then we create an account on it. Oh, that's for free, no problem. And of course, then we can turn on the smartwatch. And then we pair them each other. And that's so easy because it works with Bluetooth connectivity and job's done. Of course, we can now use our smartwatch easily. It's really easy. And then we can choose between the sleep monitor, the heart rate monitor by our fingers because it is a touch screen, as you can see. We select what we like and then we can continue. If there is an incoming call, we will get a notification and we can answer this call with the smartwatch. We can take a Bluetooth call, no problem. Of course, the smartwatch with the app has to be in range of us. Then we can use the blood pressure detection if we like. We have a blood oxygen detection if we like. And the bad thing is we can use it 24/7. That's a really cool feature. We can see the weather, or we use shutter. We turn on the DA Fit app from the smart bracelet and shutter, and then we shake the bracelet or click the take the photo. In iOS, we enter the smart bracelet shutter. We make sure that we turn on the mobile's camera and we shake the bracelet, and job's done. We make it and use it as a shutter. Really cool. We can use it as a player to play Bluetooth music easily. Next song, previous song, play and pause. What you like. And we have data synchronization and a lot of smart bracelet connection interfaces. Really cool. So much faces are on the market of the app itself. You can download them, synchronize them, job's done. It's really cool. And of course, it is possible to use this watch while we're working, where we have a workout and working too. It is prepared against the nature because of water, rain, and something else. No prop for it. And it comes with a silicone band, so it is flexible, and we can replace this band tool-free. Really cool. We can use it as a Bluetooth calling information center. We have an all-day health management fitness tracker, and we have more than 100 sport modes which we can choose from. We can use it as a smart shutter. It's IP67 waterproof. So you have here in this price range a really, really nice smartwatch on your wrist. This is the GedFong Man Smartwatch with phone function. It comes with a 1.39 inches touchscreen, and at the same time it's a fitness tracker with a 450 milliampere hour battery. A fitness watch for men with over 100 sports modes. It's a pedometer, a sleep monitor, and it works with Android and iOS smartphones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.